corrupt generation.
Kama viongozi wa nchi lazima tuwe chonjo sana na matamshi yenu. Juzi tumesikia mambo ya kushangaza sana. Hata ikiwa tuko na mambo yetu, ikiwa tuko na shida zetu, even if we have got our own personal issues, we should be very careful to safeguard the integrity of our institutions. Institutions as important as the National Intelligence Service must be protected from political rhetoric. Kama mjuavyo, mimi hapa mbeleni nilikuwa mwenyekiti wa Public Accounts Committee ili bunge iliyopita hii, na baadaye nikawa hata kiongozi ya walio chache kabla sijateuliwa na Mheshimiwa Mbadi kama mawaziri. And I have worked very closely with the National Intelligence Service and its current Director General, Mr. Nurdin Haji. I don't think it is proper, it is fair for us to cast aspersions on an institution as important as NIS and on a public officer who has got no defense like Mr. Nurdin Haji. If you have got our issues, please let's keep off these institutions that safeguard our national integrity, that safeguard our national security. Let us cushion them from cheap politics, because we owe it ourselves and the future generations that these institutions remain credible and stable.
Migawe onge stima gi pi. Akwayo ne Kalombe. Weche marwa nakwonga wachi kapok awacho. Bedu thuolo warwako jotendwa. Wach ma an go kumbiro kage winjo luong malusi otimo. One could see that mawango
is somebody we not appreciate, but the Bible says if we are in such a crooked and